In this video, let us solve some problems based on the axioms, that is linear pair axiom and the theorem that we just saw in the previous video. The first example is, in the given figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. If angle POR and ROQ are in the ratio 5:7, find all the angles. So you are given here that the lines PS or PQ and SR, they intersect, okay, and they are intersecting at the point O. And it is given that the ratio of the angles POR and ROQ is 5:7. Now you have to find all of the angles. So you have to find angle POS, SOQ, ROQ and POR. So first let us see what is given to us. It is given that angle POR is to angle ROQ is 5:7. I can also write this as angle POR upon angle ROQ is equal to 5/7. So if I want angle POR, I can write it as equal to 5/7 multiplied by, if I take it on the other side, since it is divided here, it will get multiplied. So you get multiplied by angle ROQ. Now let us number this equation as 1. Okay. Now you know that angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because of the linear pair axiom. They form a linear pair. Right? Now what is angle POR? Angle POR is equal to 5/7 multiplied by angle ROQ plus this, you write it as it is. So you get it equal to 180 degrees. Now here also I have angle ROQ and here also angle ROQ. So I can take it common. So upon taking common angle ROQ, what is remaining here is 5/7 plus 1 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ROQ multiplied by, if I solve this bracket, I get 12/7 equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So angle ROQ is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by. Now if I take this on the other side, okay, you know that 7 will get multiplied here and 12 will come in the denominator. It will be reciprocal of this. So 180 degrees multiplied by 7/12, and on solving you get this equal to 105 degrees. Therefore you see angle ROQ, we found out it to be equal to 105 degrees. Now you know angle POR and ROQ, sum is 180 degrees. So if I want angle POR, it will be 180 degrees minus 105 degrees, and the answer is 75 degrees. So this angle is 75 degrees. Now this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, and this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So angle POS will be equal to angle ROQ. So it will be 105 degrees. And angle SOQ will be equal to angle POR, which is 75 degrees. So we have found all the 4 angles. Now let us see another example. In the given figure, ray OS stands on line POQ. Ray OR and OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and SOQ respectively. If POS is equal to X, find ROT. So what is given to us here? It is given that ray OS stands on line PQ. Okay, and also that ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors of this angle and this angle respectively. So if OR is the angle bisector of POS, then you know this angle will be divided, or this portion will be equal to this angle, right? Similarly, if OT is the angle bisector of SOQ, then this angle will be equal to this angle. So what I have to find here? We have to find angle ROT. If you look at the figure, angle ROT is made up of two angles. Which are they? They are angle ROS and angle SOT. So angle ROT is equal to angle ROS and angle SOT. Okay. So now we will find what is required by using what is given to us. So it is given that ray OS stands on line POQ. So if ray OS stands on line POQ, then you know POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees because they form a linear pair. Right? So angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. What is angle POS? Angle POS is X. So X plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle SOQ? Angle SOQ is 180 degrees minus X. Now it is given that ray OR bisects angle POS. So if it bisects angle POS, then ROS, why we are taking ROS? Because that is one of the things that is required to us. So ROS will be half of this angle, right? Because it bisects. So ray OR bisects POS. So ROS will be half of angle POS. So angle ROS will be half of POS is equal to X. So angle ROS is X upon 2. Next we want angle SOT. Angle SOT is what? Angle SOT is half of angle SOQ. Right? Because it is a OT is the angle bisector. So angle SOT is half of angle SOQ. So on substituting, I get half. We have already found what is angle SOQ. What is angle SOQ? 180 degrees minus X. So you substitute here. Then you multiply half inside and you get 90 degrees minus X upon 2. So angle SOT is 90 degrees minus X upon 2. So what is angle ROT then? Angle ROT is angle ROS, which is X upon 2, plus angle SOT, which is 90 degrees minus X upon 2. So this and this will get cancelled and what remains is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle ROT is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us see the third example. In the given figure, OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, this is the figure given to you. Now, to use linear pair axiom, you should have a line here. But you see, you don't have any line, okay, or straight line to form or to use linear pair axiom or the theorem. So what you have to do is, you have to produce any one of these rays. Okay, you can either produce this one or you can produce this one or this one and get a line here. So let us produce ray OQ, okay, to a point T backwards. So when I produce it backwards, I get it like this. Okay, now I have got a line here and I can use this linear pair axiom to find whatever is asked to prove. So now if I produce OT here, you see that angle TOP plus angle POQ will be 180 degrees by linear pair axiom. So let us number this equation as 1. Now you see that OS stands on TOQ, right? So OS stands on TOQ. So angle TOS plus angle SOQ will be 180 degrees. Okay, angle TOS plus angle SOQ is 180 degrees. Let us number this equation as 2. Now if you look at the figure, angle SOQ is made up of two angles. Which are they? They are angle SOR and angle ROQ. So I can write angle SOQ as angle SOR plus angle QOR. So let me substitute for angle SOQ in equation 2. So if I substitute, I get angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR is equal to 180 degrees. So let us number this equation as 3. Now I will add equation 1 and equation 3 because on the right hand side I will get 360 degrees. And on the left hand side we have angle TOP plus angle POQ. Angle TOP plus angle POQ plus angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR is equal to, on the right hand side you have 360 degrees. Now I will get all the terms with T on one side. So angle TOP plus angle TOS plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR is equal to 360 degrees. Now look at the figure and see what is angle TOP plus angle POQ. Sorry, angle TOP plus angle TOS. Angle TOP plus angle TOS is angle POS, right? So we have angle POS for this, angle POS plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR is equal to 360 degrees. Now this is what we had to prove in the question. Okay, so we have proved whatever is asked to be proved using linear pair axiom.